Alright, now we're doing 8Q, Expressions Matter. This is by Mr. Zizo Scream, and 86% of the people like it. What we're going to be doing on this one, you can read this all if you want, but what we're going to be doing is basically we're given parentheses, plus signs, and plus signs and multiplication signs. We got to break these things up to where they give us the maximum of, they'll give us the maximum number depending on where we put them, all right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to come over here, we're going to say const expressions matter equals all this, and then we're going to do the arrow right here. We don't really need to test this because we're just going to be doing one thing. So we're going to be using this Math.max function, which returns the largest number of, the largest of the numbers given as input parameters, or infinity if there are no parameters, right? So here's the syntax we're going to use. Is we're just going to have comma separated values inside of the parentheses, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, we're going to say Math.max parentheses, and we're going to start arranging these, right? So first let's do A plus B plus C, all right? Now let's do A times B times C. Now let's do something with parentheses. Let's do like these ones right here. Let's do A plus B times C. And then let's do A times B plus C. Now let's see how this is. All right, test it out. And there we go. Now attempt it. And there we go. Submit it. All right. And as you see on this one, they pretty much did it like we did, except for they added these ones, which that's not going to work. That's as we can see, it's never going to work like that because of how could I put this? If you're multiplying like these two and then adding this, it'll never be as much as if you're adding these two and multiplying this. It's just never going to happen. Same with this one right here. Unless if you're multiplying these ones first and then adding it, it'll never be as much as these two added together and then multiplying it by this one. All right. So there we go. So let's go over to mine. Just 137 of us, and these folks, best practice in my opinion, very much like it, and we'll see you next time.